Geography, Class 12th NCERT, Chapter number 3, Population Composition. First heading, Sex Composition. First point, sex composition refers to the number of men and women in a country. It is taken out as a sex ratio, which is the sex ratio between the number of men and women. It is calculated by formula. Second point, sex ratio in the world is 990 females per 1000 males, with highest in Latvia in bracket 1187 females per 1000 males, and the lowest in United States Emirat 468 females per 1000 males. Third point, the sex ratio is unfavorable in 72 countries of the world, as there is gender discrimination leading to female foeticide, female infanticide, as well as low economic status of women. Fourth point, in general, Asian countries like China, India have low sex ratio, while European countries have higher sex ratio. Heading, Age Structure. The age structure of a population refers to the number of people of different age groups. It is divided into three groups, that is children in bracket 0 to 14 years, adult or working population in bracket 15 to 59 years, close, and the old or aging population in bracket 60 years and above. Heading, Sex Age Pyramid. The age sex pyramid refers to the number of females and males in different age groups. The characteristics of a population is shown by The characteristic of population is shown by population pyramid. The pyramid is interpreted in following ways. First, expanding population. A triangular pyramid with a wide base due to high birth rate is mostly in less developed countries like Nigeria, Mexico, and Bangladesh. Second, constant population. A bell-shaped pyramid and tapered towards the top shows almost equal birth and death rates like in Australia. Next, declining population. A pyramid with narrow base and top a wider central part shows low birth and death rates. This is in developed countries like Japan. Heading, rural-urban composition. First point, the division of rural and urban areas based on residence indicates the pattern of occupations and social conditions. People are predominantly engaged in primarily activities in rural areas, while in urban areas majority of working population is engaged in non-primary activities. Next point, in developed countries like Canada, West European countries, females outnumbers males in urban areas, while in developing countries like Nepal and Pakistan, it is vice versa. Heading, literacy. First point, level of literate population of a country indicates the standard of living, social status of females, availability of educational facilities. Second point, in India, literacy rate is the percentage of population above 7 years who are able to read, write, and do arithmetic calculations. Next heading, occupational structure. This is proportional distribution of working population in bracket age group 15 to 59, bracket close, in various occupations. Agriculture, forestry, fishing, and mining are classified under primary activities. Next point 9, manufacturing as secondary activities, transport, communication and other services as tertiary, and jobs related to research and developing ideas are quaternary activities. In developed economics, more number of people are engaged in secondary, tertiary and quaternary sector than primary. Here chapter number 3 is completed. Thanks.